Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Look at what you are given. We are given that the integral of what? W function of x dx. We are asked to integrate this function with respect to x. Now, remember that the Lambert W function is the product of what? Logarithm, okay? Now, for us to solve this problem, do you know that we are not wrong? If we say let u equals to what? The W function of x. We are not wrong in any way. And we are not also wrong if we decide to write this as what? E to the power of u equals to e to the power of what? The W function of what? X. We are not also wrong, my brothers and sisters, because since the bases are the same, we can equate the power and we have the same thing as u equals to what? The W function of x. Okay. Now our test state, what you're going to do is to multiply this by u and also multiply this by what? The W function of x. Now I know you'll be wondering, Sagas, why you multiply this? Why you multiply this by u and why you multiply this by the W function of x? Now I've told you my videos I've done. When someone is doing a particular thing, what you have to do is just to fold your hand and look at that person, because anybody in this world have a purpose why he or she is doing a particular thing that way. So you have to observe very carefully and look, why is it that this guy is doing this? You have to observe, okay, because there are properties behind this, okay. So we cannot integrate this if we do not find out those properties and integrate this properly. Remember that you cannot integrate this straight with respect to x, okay. You cannot. We are looking for a way so that when we got that way we are looking for, we can integrate it, okay. We can integrate those variables, then we substitute this in that problem. Don't worry, you see what I'm saying. Now if we multiply this by u, that this is u multiplied by e to the power of u equals to multiply this by what? The W function of x, okay. Okay, then e to the power what? The W function of what? The W function of x. Fine. All this you are just see is just one. The W function of x multiplied by e to the power of the W function of x is x. Is just x. So that means u multiplied by e to the power of u is equals to what? X. And this implies that our x is equals to u multiplied by e to the power of what? U. Very interesting, okay. Now let's differentiate y x with respect to u. Let's say that the x over the u is equals to, we can use product rule here. So we'll keep u constant and differentiate what? E to the power of u. Remember that e to the power of u is constant, so this will be constant, okay, plus we'll keep e to the power of u constant and differentiate u. If we differentiate u, we're going to have 1. Okay, that means the s over the u is equals to what? U multiplied by e to the power of u, then plus what? E to the power of what? U. Wow, because this times 1 is just this. Very simple. Now let's make the s the subject of the formula. That means the s will be equals to into u multiplied by e to the power of u, then plus e to the power of what? U multiplied by what? The u. Okay, that's amazing. Let's go back to our question. Our question is what? The integral of what? Look at the W function of x here is just the W function of x is just u. You can see from here. It's just what? U. Now what is the x? The s is, look at the x. The s is what? Into u multiplied by e to the power of u plus what? Plus e to the power of u multiplied by what? Du. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's factorize the parentheses. Note that this is the integral of u, then bracket, okay. Then from this we're going to have e to the power of u is common into, we divide this by this, we're going to have u. If we divide this by this, we're going to have plus what? 1, okay, bracket what? Close, du. Now do you know that we are not also wrong if we decide to write all this as what? The integral of u into u plus 1, then e to the power of what? U du. We are not wrong in any way, my brothers and sisters. As far as what you are having here, the relationship is multiplication sign. They are the same thing, okay. That means this now becomes the integral of what? U to the power of 2 plus what? 1. You can see, then multiply by e to the power of what? U du. Wow, this is amazing, because sorry, this is u plus what? Plus u, because u times u is u square, u times 1 is u. Now from here we can use what? Integration by what? Integration by part. Okay, this is what I was saying. Now from here you can integrate, but here you cannot integrate, but here you can integrate. Now I heard about the DI table. You know that the DI table is one of the easiest way or the short way of working what? Integration by part. Now let me draw this formula. This is the formula of integration by part. The integral of u what? The integral of u dv, okay, is equals to uv minus the integral of what? V du. Okay, this is the formula of what? Integration by part. But we are not going to use this formula today. Okay, Let's use our DI table. Our DI table will help us a lot. Okay, this is our DI table. Okay, this is our D and this is our I. I mean integration and D mean what? Differentiation. So we're going to differentiate this and integrate this. So this is what? U to the power of 2 plus what U, and yes, what? E to the power of what U. Now, are you heard about cofactor in matrix? Remember your cofactor. So this is what? Plus, minus, plus. Okay, this is our cofactor. If you're working with 3 by 3 matrix, you understand what I mean by cofactor. Okay, even in 2 by 2 matrix, we have cofactor, but this is like 3 by 3 word matrix. Okay, now what you're going to do, first of all, we differentiate this. So if we differentiate 2U plus U, we're going to have what? U to the power of 2 plus U. We're going to have this is 2U, okay, plus what? Plus 1. Because if we differentiate U is just 1. Now if we differentiate this again, we're going to have 2. Because U, 2U, if we differentiate 2U, is just what? It's just 2. Then here will be what? Here will be 0 minus here will be what? 0. So if we differentiate constant is 0. Then as you got to 0, you stop because there's 0 already. 0 is 0. Okay? Because if you differentiate 2 is just 0. There's no more differentiating again. So let's integrate U to the power of e raised to the power of U. If you integrate e raised to the power of U, you still have e raised to the power of U because it's a constant. You also have e raised to the power of U. Okay, also have e raised to the power of what U. Now what you are going to do, you are going to multiply diagonally. So this is diagonal. When you have about diagonal in matrix, this is why you are going to multiply. Okay, also multiply this way. Okay, also multiply what this way. Now you can use this last one to multiply straight, but know that 0 times anything is still 0, so there's no need. So this is what we are going to work on. That means the integral of what? Into U to the power of 2 plus U multiplied by E to the power of U du, okay, is equals to what? Is equals to U to the power of 2 plus U, okay, multiply by what? E to the power of what? U. Because you can see this is multiplying by this. Then let's work with this. You can see minus is here. This is what? Minus 2, but this has to be parenthesis. Minus can also be in parenthesis here. Okay. Then minus into 2U plus 1 multiplied by what? E to the power of what? U. E to the power of what? U. Okay. Then here you can see you're having 2 times this give us plus 2e raised to the power of what? U. Then 0 times this is still 0. Okay, so just have our Poynting integration constant what? C. You can see this is the answer. But we can do, since we are not here, we are not going to use U. What we are going to work with here is our x and our w function, x and w. But here is U. Remember, we say let U equals to w function. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So we're going to have that this is what? Going to have that this is what? U to the power of what? 2. Okay, multiply this by what? E raised to the power of what? U. Because e raised to the power of U times this, we're going to have this. Then plus U multiply by e raised to the power of U. Then minus into this times this one, this is 2U multiplied by e raised to the power of U. We are using this to open this. Then plus e raised to the power of what? U. Then plus what? 2e raised to the power of what? U plus what? C. Wow, this is amazing. But we can do something here. Do you know that this is something as U multiplied by U e raised to the power of what? U. Because U times U is U square, so they are the same thing. Then plus U multiplied by e raised to the power of what? U. If we use minus to open this parenthesis, we're going to have that this is minus 2 multiplied by U 2 multiplied by 2U e raised to the power what? U minus e raised to the power what? U plus 2 e raised to the power what? U plus what? C. Now let's take our like terms. So what this is U multiplied by U multiplied by e raised to the power what? U. This and this are the same. They are like terms. So what are what? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is like when you're doing 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? So you're going to have a minus U multiplied by e raised to the power what? U. Okay. Then this and this are like terms. So what are this is what? Plus e raised to the power what? U plus what? C. Wow. Let's go back to our question. Remember, we said that let U equals to the real function. So anywhere we see U, we're going to put the real function. Remember that U multiplied by e raised to the power of U is x. Okay. That means U is what? Look at U. U is what? The real function of x. So look at U. So you have this is what? The real function of what? The real function of x. Okay. The real function of x. Then multiply by what is U to the power of U? U multiplied by e to the power of U is what? U multiplied by e to the power of U is x. So yes, x. Okay. Yes, x. Yes, x. Okay. Fine. Minus what? Now, U multiplied by e to the power of U is what? You can see it from here is x. So yes, also what? X. Then e raised to the power of U is what? Now there's an amazing thing I'm going to do here. Look at, there's no e raised to the power of U. There's no way. There's no e raised to the power of U. But look at what I'm going to do. Let me draw your mind to this. Fine. Look at U multiply e raised to the power of u is equals to x. I will know that u is what? U is the W function of x. That means the W function of what? X, e raised to x is equals to what? X. Okay. Now I want you to understand that this W function of x is the same as u. Don't forget. So I can decide to write this as the W function of x and also write here as u. Look at the u we are seeing here. So for us to make this u subject, what you have to do is to divide both sides by the W function of x. Also divide this by the W function of what? X. Now this we can also add this. That means e to the power of u will be equals to x divided by the W function of what? X. That means this thing, this e to the power of u is just x over what? Plus x divided by what? The W function of what? X. Okay, plus our integration constant c. You can see, very simple and interesting. So we can remove this from here. Okay, that means x times this, what this is x, okay, multiplied by the W function of what? Into x, okay, minus x plus x divided by what? The W function of what? X, okay, plus what? C. That means the integral of what? That means this implies that the integral of what? The W function of what? The W function of x, the x is equals to x multiplied by the W function of what? X, okay, minus x, okay, minus x plus x divided by the W function of x, okay, plus what? C. And this is the solution to this particular problem. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Please do well to like, comment, and share it to loved ones or others who learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime you have an exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.